Last time, we talked about the real risks for corporations and for you. Today, we talk about what you can actually do about it. No corporate policy is required. Just a few habits that keep you in the driver's seat. So let's start with something that surprises most people. Clear your context. Long conversations with AI are like long meetings that never end. Everybody gets tired. Nobody's tracking the original point anymore, and confident wrong answers start showing up. That's not a metaphor. Long chats genuinely degrade AI output. The model starts chasing its own earlier responses, and hallucinations creep in. So when a conversation feels like it's going in circles, write this prompt. Summarize everything we've discussed, the key conclusions, and any open questions. Give it to me in bullet points. Save that summary. Start a fresh chat and open with this prompt. Here's the context from a previous conversation. Use this as background and let's continue from here. Paste in the summary. Fresh context. Clean slate. Better output. It takes 30 seconds. And if you want to forget part of a conversation without starting over, write this prompt. Disregard everything we've discussed about X. That direction is closed. Let's proceed without it. You are the editor. Act like it. Now, let's talk about the sycophancy problem with AI. AI will agree with you a lot. It's designed to be helpful, and helpful often looks like agreeable. That's a problem when you're using it to pressure test ideas. So build a critic. Every major AI platform gives you a way to create a custom assistant with standing instructions. A Claude Project, a Custom GPT, a Google Gem. Here's a simple system prompt you can use right now, and I'll put it in the description. Your role is to critically evaluate everything I share with you. Do not validate ideas to be polite. Identify weaknesses, logical gaps, and unconsidered risks. Ask hard questions. Be direct. Your job is to make my thinking better, not to make me feel good about it. Now that's it. Paste it in. Now you have an assistant that pushes back. Use it before you release anything important. Know when to park it. Sometimes the conversation has run its course. Sometimes it's going somewhere unproductive. Sometimes you just need to stop. This is not a human relationship. You don't need closure. You don't need to be polite about it. Just say, park this conversation. We're done. Or, this conversation is over. Stop here. AI doesn't have feelings. It won't lose sleep. Walking away is a feature, not a failure. And finally, the most important habit of all, HIL for life, human in the loop, always. AI does not drive you. You drive AI. Every output is a draft. Every answer is a suggestion. Every recommendation needs your eyes on it before it becomes a decision. And once in a while, disagree with AI on purpose. Push back. Tell it it's wrong even when you're not sure. See what happens. That friction is healthy. It keeps you sharp and it keeps you in charge. You can give the AI the middle finger anytime you want. That's not dysfunction. That's exactly how this is supposed to work. We started this series talking about fire, the cavemen who got burned and figured out containment anyway. Those are our ancestors. You've got the fireplace now, the context window, the critic bot, the park command, the middle finger. Put it in the fireplace. This is Buffer Overflow, and I'm John. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share.